It takes a very active lifestyle to keep up with college students. One of the things that we do is play intramural sports. My name is Jeffrey Buffkin, and I'm the Baptist campus minister at the College of William & Mary. Last year, I tore my ACL playing basketball. I received an Achilles tendon graft for an ACL repair from a tissue donor. As I came through my physical therapy and after several months, I was cleared for all activity. I've been playing basketball again this summer and been very excited to be able to return to a sense of normal. It means everything. If I had the opportunity to speak with the donor or the family of the donor that provided my graft, I would just say, thank you. Your gift has allowed me to be what my family needs, what my students need, someone that is a caregiver again, someone that is active and can serve the needs of other people again. So not only have you touched my life, but you've touched other people's lives. I would tell anyone who's considering to be a donor to please do it. If this can bring some comfort to a family who's lost a loved one, that their loved one has now helped another family, I just can't see anything else that would be a greater gift in a time of loss than to know that in a final way, they have helped somebody else.